Remember, a whole number is called prime if the only factors of the number are 1 and the number itself. And the first few prime numbers that we find are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and the list continues on indefinitely. Now, it is often useful in math to be able to write a number as the product of its prime factors. So, for example, we could write 35 equals 5 times 7, and 24 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And these examples are fairly easy. But if we have a larger number to factor, then we may need to use a device known as a factor tree. And the way this tree works is you first write down the number, for example, 420, and then you think of any two factors of the number. Does not matter what the factors are, they don't have to be prime. Just any two numbers that will multiply to give 420. Well, since the number ends in a 0, then we know that 10 is a factor, so we can write 420 as the product of 10 and 42. And then we just continue the process, working our way down. 10 is the product of 5 and 2, 42 is the product of 7 and 6, and then finally 6 is the product of 3 and 2. And when we get down to the point where all the numbers on the bottom are prime, then we know we have the prime factorization of the original number. So 420 is 5 times 2 times 7 times 3 times 2. Or if we were to write this in increasing order, which is the usual way, then we would say 420 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 7.